In this session we are going to see how extensively we can use view container UI element in TABSTRIP. Okay, let me go to SCAT transaction code and let me create another view v underscore TABSTRIP UI element. Okay, this TABSTRIP can be achieved in floor plan manager also. Okay, this TABSTRIP floor plan manager configuration will allow you to design the screens in TABSTRIP format. Okay, when we discuss about FPM, that time I will show you how to design the TABSTRIP in floor plan manager, but for the time being here we will see TABSTRIP. Okay, I am going to create insert element, page header, title, TABSTRIP UI element. Now here right click on root UI element container and click on insert element. Okay, let me just set the layout as matrix head layout page. Okay, now right click on it, click on insert element, and here TABSTRIP. Okay, TABSTRIP. I'm just, instead of just selecting it from drop down, I'm just pressing the keyboard first letter T. As soon as I click on T, all the possible UI elements starting from T will be displayed, TABSTRIP, table, so like this. Or either you can select it from the drop down also. By clicking on drop down, you can select the required UI element, TABSTRIP. Click OK. Yes, I got the TABSTRIP UI element. Now set the layout data as matrix set data so that it will be displayed in the next line. Yes, now we will have to choose insert tab. Okay, as many as tabs required. Now you can click on insert tab so that one tab will be inserted at a time. Okay, click on insert tab. Yes, you got tab, and right click on TABSTRIP again, click insert tab. Yes, tab 2 has displayed. Now once again right click on it, insert tab, tab 3 is displayed. Okay, tab 3 is inserted. You can put the caption, let's say material details. I would say material details. Okay, and sales order details, and I would say purchase order details. Okay, like this I have 3 different tabs. Now activate it. I will create another window, w underscore TABSTRIP. I will embed the view. V underscore TABSTRIP. Click OK. Now view has been embedded. Save. Activate the entire WebDynpro component. Right click on the WebDynpro component and choose activate so that it will be activated. Now create WebDynpro app application. You can create as soon as many WebDynpro you can create many number of applications for one WebDynpro component. ZBK FSN TABSTRIP. Okay, now specify the interface view, press F4, select V and W underscore TABSTRIP, and plug name will be default only. Save, local object. Now execute the TABSTRIP application. Right click on the application and click on test. Now you see this is the screen design that we had done. This is the screen design that we had done. So in v underscore TABSTRIP view. So this is what the screen design that we can see in the application as output. Now here what I'm going to do is, under material details tab, I would like to show material data. Under sales order details tab, I would like to show sales order related data. Under purchase order details tab, I would like to show purchase order data. Okay, now I'll go to v underscore TABSTRIP, and here I would like to design the screen. Okay, now under select the required tab where you want to design the screen, right click on it and then just click on insert content. Okay, now say okay, now if you right click on it, you will see only insert content and insert toolbar only. Okay, so you don't see any create container form, but anyway, okay, you don't see any create insert container form. So as similar to transparent container, say 1 and transparent container, and if you right click on this transparent container, you see create container form, right? So here, like transparent container, I am not getting a option called create container form, but I have only option called insert content. Insert toolbar will allow you to insert the toolbar where you can have toolbar buttons, toolbar elements, but we are not looking for toolbar elements. Here what I would like to show you is, I would like to place a table UI element. I would like to place a table UI element, okay, which I would like to do. So click on insert content. Here what I will do, tbl table UI tab strip. Okay, so let's say table UI element. Click OK. Now I got the table. Okay, now I got the table. So either you, so now for this table, okay, we have placed the table under material details tab. We will have to do the data source binding, all these. We will have to create table columns as well. So till now, when we were discussed about the table UI element, that time we had designed a table using the WebDypro code wizard. Okay, let us try the other way. Select the tab and click on WebDypro code wizard. Here you can select the table. Do you want the container element to be determined automatically? Yes. Click on context. See, we don't have any context created. So first of all, we will have to create a context. So here I am going to create 3 different context nodes. Okay, so first let me show you what is my expected result in this tab strip. Under material details, I would like to place a table UI element. Under sales order details tab, I would like to place multiple input fields, or it's a form kind of. And under purchase order details, once again I would like to place a table UI element. So material details table UI element, purchase order details table UI element, but under sales order details I would like to place input fields or drop downs or text views. Okay, this is how I would like to be my output. So now let me do the design. Click on WebDypro code wizard. So before to that, we will have to create a context. So create context node, Mara. Since I would like to design a table, I would like to select the cardinality as 0 to n. Click on add attributes from structure, Matner, Ernum, Anum, LVORM, MTART, Matcal. That's all enough. Click OK. Now context node has been created, one context node. Similarly, I have to create another 2 context nodes. Right click on context and say create node. Okay, sales order VBAK, and cardinality should be 1 to 1 only, because I would like to place input fields or text views. So click on add attributes from structure, vbln er yarnum au dot vbtype trvog auart. Enough. Click OK. Context attributes are created. Now I will have to create another context node which is of type cardinality ekko, type cardinality 0 to n. Okay, because I would like to display a table 0 to n. Click add attributes from structure ebln bucharest bsart ae dat ernum lifner. Okay, so that's all. Now go to layout, select the tab, click on WebDypro code wizard, table, yes, click on context. Now select the Mara context node, and text views are checkboxes how you would like to be. Standard cell editor, let it be text views. Click OK. Okay. Let me remove this both tables. Remove element and remove the table one also. Remove element. Select the tab. Click on WebDypro code wizard. Select the table. See here, this is what it is saying. Do you want the container element to be determined automatically? So here, what is the container element? Okay, it is saying, but we have selected tab. What we would like to do is, under the tab 1, we would like to display, we would like to place a table UI element. So that is what I am trying to do. But let me do once again. Select the context Mara and click OK. Now you see table is coming out of the tab strip. Table is coming out of the tab strip. So that is why here we cannot place more than one UI element. So let's say for example, select the tab again, click on insert content. Okay, now let's say for example input field, click OK. Input field has come, right click on it. See, now I don't have insert content once again. Okay, now I cannot place one more UI element. I cannot put more than one UI element in tab strip under one tab, each tab. See, I don't have any option. I can just click only, I can place only one UI element. So now in such scenarios, what we can do is we can place view container UI element. Okay, we can place view container UI element. Now this is why I said like view container UI element is more relevant when we are working with tab strips. The advantage of using view container UI element in tab strips is we can create a separate view wherein we can design the required view layout and place a view container UI element in under the tab strip, and in the window we can embed a view under this view container UI element so that the required view layout will be displayed under the tab strips. So let me do that. So now I am just going to delete this input field UI element. Now what I am going to do is I am going to place view I can get only insert content option only one time. So that one chance I would like to utilize to place a view container UI element vcn1 vcn underscore tab 1. Okay, view container UI element. I will place view container UI element. Now this is fine. Now once again I cannot place any other UI element. I can add only one UI element under tab strip. Now for this also I would say vcn underscore tab 2 view container UI element, right. Now under this also similarly insert content vcn underscore tab 3 view container UI element. Fine. Now I have placed view container UI element in each 3 tabs. Now save it. Now what I would like to do is I would like to create 3 different views. Create v underscore Mara. Okay. Now another view v underscore save v underscore VBAK. Now v underscore save v underscore EKKO. Okay, now I have created 3 different views. Okay, but we had created context nodes in v underscore TABSTRIP. Now they are not useful. They are become obsolete. They are just like garbage. Okay, now you can remove. Yes, remove, delete. They are no more required in the v underscore TABSTRIP. Now what we will do, we will create in, so this is the problem if you create a context nodes in view container UI element. Instead, if you would have created context nodes in component controller, so we don't have to delete them, because since context nodes are created in component controller, they are global. Now we just have to do the context mapping from component controller to required views. So you can create context node here. Okay, Mara underscore table Mara, I would say 0 to n, cardinality, add attributes from structure, Matner, Ernum, Enum, LVORM. So that's all enough. Now I'll create another context node. This is a one good example that the best practice recommends you always create context nodes in the component controller, so that they will not become obsolete when you want to use them, when you want to reuse particular view in another view or wherever you want it. So by creating a context nodes in component controller, they will become global context nodes, so they can be reused in wherever the view you want it. You just have to do the context mapping. Okay, so v back display v back. Now click on add attributes from structure, vbln dat no, vb type aurt. Okay, should be fine. Now create another context node, ekko. Cardinality should be 0 to n because I would like to deal with the table. Click on add attributes from structure, evln Bucharest, bsart, bskz, aidat, ernum, lifner. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, now I have 3 different context nodes. Now what I would like to do is I will go to each view. I just do the context mapping, the required context node mapping. So this is v underscore Mara. I need Mara underscore table context node mapping to this view. Enough. If I required any other node, I can do the context mapping. Now again v and I will go to v underscore v back context. I'll just do the context mapping. This is called internal context mapping. V back underscore display. Do the context mapping. Mapping is done. Mapping for context element. Context is defined. Now save it. Now go to v underscore ekko. Now similarly do the context mapping. Ekko. Yes, save. Now we will start designing the layout. Go to v underscore ekko only. Here select the matrix layout. Click on WebDynpro code wizard. Click table, context. EKKO text views, click OK. Save flow layout only. Okay, table has been displayed. Okay, now save. Now go to v underscore Mara, click on WebDynpro code wizard, select a table, select the context Mara underscore table, click OK. Now this has been done. Now go to v underscore VBack view, select the root element container, click on WebDynpro code wizard, click on form, select the required context. So select the required standard cell editor. So I would like to display them as input field only. So now this is, make sure the required fields to be displayed as binding enabled. Okay, click OK. Now we will have to select matrix layout. Okay, now if you don't want to save it, now just go back, no, say no. Now let me go to v underscore VBack again. Okay, now select the matrix layout. Now click on WebDynpro code wizard, select the form, context, VBack underscore display. Once again, I would like to show you the impact, what happens if you uncheck the binding. If you uncheck the binding, VBLN context attribute will not be placed as an input field in the view layout. Okay, now let me show you. We have, I will uncheck this, I will uncheck this, I will uncheck this. Now I have selected the checkbox of binding column only for VB type and AUART. So now only these two context attributes will be displayed in the view layout, one as drop down by key and one as input field. Now let me select OK. Now you see only two had come. Okay, now once again if I click on back and do not save it, do you want to save before exiting? No. Okay, so once again come to v underscore VBack. Now select it as matrix layout. I always recommend you to create transparent container. Okay, this will help you to align the screen fields properly. Transparent container or group or tray. Okay, these three, you can make use of these three UI elements to align the screen fields properly. Okay, these UI elements will help you to design the screen layout properly and will also help you to improve the look and feel of the WebDynpro web application. Transparent container, you can specify any name you want, ID, but that should be unique. And I would transparent container. Okay, from drop down also you can choose, or you can in keyboard you can enter the first letter of the UI element. Let's say if I would like to choose input field, I will press I, keyboard I, so that it will go to I starting from first letter. Okay, now then you can choose, or you can say T, transparent container. Yes, like this you can choose. Okay, I got the transparent container. For this also I would say matrix layout only. Okay, now select this transparent container UI element and click on WebDynpro code wizard, select the form, select the required context. Now I will enable all the checkboxes of binding column, click OK. Now all of them has come, so now that should be fine for me. So I have designed all the screen UI elements, all the views, activate the entire WebDynpro component, activate the entire WebDynpro component. Now go to w underscore TABSTRIP. Now now we will start embedding a view under view container, view within the view container. So what is tab 1? Mara. So right click on view container and select embed view, and click F4, select the v underscore Mara view. Okay, now this is fine, done. Now select the second view container, right click on second view container, select embed view, click F4. Now select v underscore vback view, click OK. Now select the third view container, right click, click embed view, press F4 on v underscore ekko. Right, now so all three views are embedded in three different view containers. Click save. Now activate it. Now if you execute the WebDypro app application, now how you will see the output. Now see, yes, now you got the table in material details, now you got the form in sales order details, now you got the table in purchase order details. Okay, so this is how we have made use of the view container UI element. Now if you want, now here one more thing, if you want to extend your screen design within the material details view, what you can do is, once again I'll do, go to v underscore Mara. Now here, since you have independent view, here you can extend your view as much as you want. Okay, what I can do is, I can right click on the root UI element container, I can right click on the root UI element container, click on insert element. Once again I will create some view container UI element here. Okay, so okay, fine, save it, select it as matrix layout, VCN, I would say matrix head data, activate it, activate it. Now go to window, so under v underscore Mara I have placed view container. So again right click on view container, embed some view, embed any view from the existing. Let's say I would like to take v underscore drop down, I would like to embed v underscore drop down view. Click OK. Now save it and activate it, click OK. Now go to WebDypro app application, now refresh it. Now this screen design output will be changed. See, yes, now I have, this is how the look output of the material details tab, because what we see under material details tab is completely separate view. Whatever we do in the this view, that we get to see it as output. Okay, so sales order details also, if you want any other screen to be displayed here, you can extend your screen design, okay, by making use of the view container UI element. Okay, under sales order details also I will embed another view, ev underscore vback. Here also I'll place view container UI element, VCN, view container UI element. Click on matrix, select the layout data as matrix head data so that it will be displayed in the new line. Now go to w underscore TABSTRIP, go to VCN underscore v underscore vback. Here we got the view container, so right click on it, press F4. Now this time I would like to select v underscore radio button. Okay, activate it. Let me select the entire WebDypro component and activate it. Activate it. Now see, refresh the WebDypro app application. Now go to sales order details. Now you see radio button related. Okay, this is one view, this is one view, and this is complete one view. So here we see this is complete one view. Okay, this is the main view. Under this main view I have three different tabs. Under material details tab I have two different views, again two different sub views. Under sales order details tab also I have another two views. Under purchase order details I have another view. So complete how many views are there here? So one main view, and under material details 2, 2 plus 1 3, here 2 2, 3 plus 2 5, and purchase order details one view. So 5 plus 1 6. So these are all complete 6 views. So 6 views in a one single window. Okay, and that to one application. Okay, this is how we can extend our screen layout by making use of the view container UI element and tab strips. Okay, now what we will do is I would like to achieve the navigation. Okay, now I would like to achieve the navigation. Okay, from this application. So now what I'm going to do is v underscore main navigate. In v underscore main, here I would like to add one more radio button. I would like to add one more outbound plug. Out underscore main 4, save, v underscore tab strip. I'll create inbound plug, in underscore tab, save. Now I'll go to w underscore main underscore navigate. I have to embed this view in VCN, embed view. Now this is different application. Okay, now we have done with tab strip, independent tab strip view, and we have created a window. We had created a separate application. Now I would like to reusing the same view but through navigation. Okay, this is completely different requirement. Now I will embed v underscore tab strip. I'm reusing the same view in another WebDynpro application to achieve the navigation. Okay, now go to v underscore main. Let me populate another radio button. When here, fire the outbound plug, general tab, start navigation, select the required plug, out underscore main 4. Okay, but we have not established a navigation link. Go to w underscore main underscore navigate, VCN, v underscore main. Okay, so where is the v underscore tab strip? Yes, this one. So establish a navigation link, out underscore main 4. Click OK, save. Now activate the entire WebDynpro component. Now this time I will open another WebDynpro application. This is separate WebDynpro application. This is generic WebDynpro application. Now I am selecting this radio button. See, now this is generic WebDynpro application. I have reused this same view but navigated from main view to the TABSTRIP view. Okay, this is second requirement. So this is how we can extensively work with reusing the views. And again here, if you want different view, you can embed the another view in view container UI element. Okay, but okay, you can extend depending on your requirement, but this is what the complete TABSTRIP and view container UI element, extensively working with the TABSTRIP and uh, achieving the navigation also and making use of the view container UI element. Okay,